So, well, somebody asked me to do a video on how I store my books. Well, some I'll just display on the shelf, as you can see. But only have so much space there. Then I found this cabinet. They're called SAFCO cabinets. I actually got it from like a art supply place that's used. They usually cost like, I don't know, $1,800 each. They're very expensive. They used to store like artwork or blueprint. I got it used for like, I don't know, $400, $500. It's actually well worth it. They're very solid. And it's almost like they're designed to store graded comics. As you can see, like you can fit about 10 actually on each drawer. And you still have like a little bit space in between. Yeah, they pull out. And it's nice because sometimes you want to just look at them. You can pull it out and look all 10 at the same time. Yeah. Push it. And what I did, I went to Home Depot and they sell like this fake black carpet, I guess. And you can just cut it and I put it in the back here. And they have different models, I guess. This one has 10 small drawers. They have one that's like 5. I chose this one because this one is just big enough, just say, to fit a graded comic. I don't need it to be too deep anyway. And keeps them protected from dirt, dust, and actually you can get a lock installed there. So if you have kids, you can lock them. I mean, it's not really gonna stop somebody who wants to steal those books. It's probably gonna just slow them down, but it's a nice way to protect them. Again, as you can see, side view. They're very big, very heavy too. So you're probably gonna need like the stickers are still there. I need to remove those stickers. But again, to me, that's the best way to store my graded comics. Again, you can put like about 100 on each one of those, so you can stack them, so you can have like 200. And there's no way I can put 200 books on my wall. So again, some of the nicer ones I'll display on the wall. But all the other ones I'll just put in there. And again, this I'll show you. It's called SAFCO cabinet. I think you can find it on Amazon. I think it's listed for like $1,800 or something like that. There's other manufacturers that make a similar cabinet, but I heard they're not as solid as this one. This one's actually very solid. As you can see, you can go through them very quickly. And the drawers, that one's sticking a little bit. And you can go through them. Again, there's no way I can store 100 And I used to have them in a box, but what's the point of having in a box? You know, you cannot see them, you cannot really grab them. I mean, you can see them, but you have to grab one by one. Here you can just pull this out and see all of them together. This is my favorite one. You can just go and look at all of them together at the same time. And again, it's lockable. Even though mine didn't come with the lock, I ordered the lock separately on eBay. I think it's like the lock kit is about $50. It's still well worth it. And as you can see, my room is not that big, so go back here. Okay, that's it. Somebody asked me what's the best way to store my books. Well, in my case, this is the best way to store them in a way that I can still display them or see them and secure them. Again. And as far as the dimensions, you can look at the SAFCO website. But just look at quick view. And there's actually two of them. They're stacked. So some people think it's all one, but it's actually two of them. Okay. Then I'll do another video showing the rest of the room later. Okay, that's it. Thank you.